Good morning, guys. This is Anna Teds. Now I want to show you how to preserve your flower like this. And that's so beautiful. I preserved that for 2 months. So now I will teach you how I do this, how I'll do that. And let's do the video. Hi guys! Good morning! It's me, Anna Teds. So, if you following me, alam ng mga friends ko na in 3 months, almost 3 months, sinave ko yung flower namin na aking husband. So, this flower I got nung second year na nagkakilala kami. Char! So, yun, he gave me this flower. So, alam na mga friends ko na nagsisave ko siya by upside down. So, this is the Valentine's flower that I got last Valentine's Day. So, ayan siya guys. Finally, nandito na siya. It's done. It's done. So, if you're going to preserve your flowers, you just hang like that, upside down. Ayan. So, now, this is done. Yeah. Look at this. Ang ganda, diba? So, kasi I'm very sentimental woman. So, yung mga bagay na special, hindi naman ako talaga materialistic na tao na kailangan mo ako bigyan ng mga jewelry or mga mamahaling bagay. Just simple flower, happy na ako. Ganun na talaga ako kasimple, guys. And then, I put here, doon sa, this naman yung chocolate na binigay niya rin ng Valentine's Day. So, my husband give me 1 box of chocolate heart and then roses. So, now, of course, wala nang chocolate. Naubos ko na. So, I'm going to do is, I put, sorry guys, my nose is itchy. I don't know why. So, I put the flower here. Okay. So, ayan. So, natapos ko na siyang i-preserve. So, sa to all my friends that you want to preserve your flower, you just hang upside down. So, it will not, fall apart. It will be beautiful. Look at this, guys. See? Yan. Yun lang talaga, guys. You just hang upside down. So, ayan. So, ayan. Yung sa wedding ko nga, guys, diba, pinakita ko sa inyo dati na-preserve ko siya. So, ayan na siya. So, this, I think, 12 dozen of roses. Oh, God. Ayan. Ang gaganda, guys. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this one. Tapos, ipapreserve ko siya. Siguro gawin natin siyang ganyan, guys. Like. Oh, ganda! Beautiful! So, we're going to cut that. And then, ilalagay natin siya sa box. Oh, God! Yan. Ika-cut natin siya, guys. So, I put here. Yan. Oh! Nahulog pa! Siguro meron talagang scissors para sa mga roses. Ayan siya, guys. So, ayan. So, yan. If you're going to preserve your flower, you have to upside down lang talaga, guys. Talaga, mapipreserve niyo siya ng forever. Yan. Lalo na pag mga wedding, if you getting married soon, sa mga babae yan magpapakasal, pwede nyo i-save yung bouquet nyo. You just put on the closet or bathroom. I-hang nyo lang siya ng 2.5 months. Kaya wala. Maano nyo na siya. I-save nyo. Tapos ilagay nyo siya sa frame. Ang ganda, guys. Super. Super, super ganda. So, ayan siya, guys. Oh, God! So, ayan. The 12 roses. But ito ang ganda. But sige na. So, yan. So, I hope hindi siya mag-mash. Oh, God. Lumilipad. So, ayan siya, guys. So, I put like that. So, maybe like this. Ayan. We put like this. Ayusin natin siya. Ang ganda, guys. Look at this. This beautiful flower. So, ayan. So, that's so nice. It's nice na. Tapos, every year, isi-save niyo yung mga flower na bigay sa inyo ng inyong hubby o na inyong boyfriend. Ang ganda. So, now, this is the 12 roses, guys. Ta-da! Ang cute. And then, this one. Yan. Tignan niyo yung kulay niya, guys. It's still the same. So, now you know paano mag-serve ng flower. This one is also good. Yung color talaga niya is not fade away. Hindi siya nawala, hindi siya natanggal. So, yan. So, sa lahat ng mga balak nyo na mag-save ng inyong mga flower, yan. Ganun lang ang secret, guys. Actually, napanood ko naman to sa YouTube. Tapos, tinry ko yung sa wedding na flower ko. Yun, na ano talaga siya. Nakasave ako ng aming wedding flower. So, ayan. So, ayan. Gugupitin lang natin siya, guys. Then, I will show you later kung ano yung see you later, guys. Pag-preserve ng flowers. Look at the color, guys. It's so beautiful pa rin. Hindi talaga sila yung kulay nila, hindi nawala. Ang ganda. It's still beautiful. I like it, guys. So, yan. Natapos ko na siya, guys. So, ayan na, guys. Ayan na. Look at that. Tapos na. So, now, meron na tayong souvenir for Valentine's 2014. So, ayan na. Ang ganda ng kulay. I like it. So, yun, guys. I want to share with you how to preserve the flower. You just only hang upside down. So, yan. Maganda ba, guys? Ang ganda, di ba? So, yan, guys. I hope it will help you sa mga gusto mag-serve yung mga flowers during sa special day like wedding, Valentine's Day, anniversary. So what you're going to do is you just hang upside down, and then you just hang for like 3 months, like in your bathroom or your closet. So this is it, pansit. Yes, you. So thank you for watching my video, guys. I love you. Mwah.